everybody, welcome back to my channel. I told you this season I had a few apple projects and I hope you will have enjoyed them. But today I'm going to make a few of these little decorative apples. You know, some of us are just not quite ready for pumpkins yet, and I thought I would share with you how to make these cute little apples. Now you're only going to need just a few supplies. I'm going to make red apples today, so I just have a scrap piece of t-shirt. You could make them any color, green, burgundy, whatever color apples you want. You're going to need some styrofoam balls. They sell those at the dollar store. A few leaves, a few little pieces of twigs that will be your apple stem, and then to put it together, hot glue and a spoon and a pencil. Now to give your styrofoam balls a little more apple shape, I'm going to put it against this red here so you can see. I basically just took the spoon and I scooped out a little of the bottom and a little of the top, a little more in the top than I did the bottom. Once I cover it in the t-shirt material, it will give it a little bit more of an apple shape. Now as far as the fabric that you need to cover the apple, this is kind of the rule of thumb. If it's a 3-inch apple, double it and you'll need a 6-inch cloth circle. If it is a 2.5-inch ball, you will need a 5-inch circle of fabric. So I just found a bowl that was 6 inches and just traced it and cut myself out the circle. As far as the fabric you choose to cover your apple, that could make a difference. You know, just basic cotton fabric doesn't have any stretch to it, so that's why I kind of recommend sticking with some kind of t-shirt fabric that is stretchy. So I'm going to take my circle of fabric and show you how to kind of stretch it and poke it into the top of the apple. All right, like I said, after you've scooped out a little of the bottom and a little of the top, put your apple in the center of your circle. You're going to kind of get it started. With the pencil. And then go ahead and do directly across. Just poke it down in the same hole. And then you're going to kind of do north, south, east, west. And then you're going to go back with the corner. See, I think that stretchy fabric does make a difference in it grabbing. It's just the type of feel the fabric has. And if you have to put a spot of hot glue to keep in place, that's fine too. Just like right here, this fabric may not quite reach, but I can get super close to my hole and I can put a spot of hot glue right there to secure it. If you stretch it enough, you can get it in there because the other side will help keep it in there. Even if one of your little corners is running short, just keep stretching it as far as you can and it'll eventually, and once you look at it like this, you think, oh, it's kind of imperfect, it's got some little bumps, but honestly, once you get your stem in there and your leaf, it'll all look cute. Poke my little stem in there, stick that down in there. Look how cute this turned out. It only took a minute or two to create this little apple. So I'm going to have 6 apples total, and I'll show you how I'm going to display them in my dining room. All right, we are walking into my dining room now. This is going to be one of my next redo projects. I'm taking some things off the wall here. I'm going to get rid of all this formal stuff. But here is my beginning fall centerpiece. This is just a runner I had with the fall colors. This is some candle holders I had that I wrapped the base in jute twine. I love the look of that now. And then just a couple red Dollar Tree candles to kind of go with the apples. And I didn't want to do pumpkins or anything just yet, so I just used some acorns and nuts and pine cones. And this is a little wire basket I've had for a couple years and haven't used. So a lot of times I won't use anything for a couple years and then it's like new all over again. I just wrapped some leaf garland around the base of it. That's something I can take off when we get ready to eat or something. And another matching one on that side. And just a little apple sign I got at Dollar General and put a few sunflowers in there and just scattered my apples in the basket. So I'm going to back up and let you see what it looks like. Love how the little candles coordinate with the apples. Little pop of red in there. So I hope you enjoyed this little apple project and seeing how I'm going to enjoy these for the next couple months. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.